12 General 2.1 Electric Charge, End of Term 1 Revision. 2.4 State and demonstrate that like charges attract and unlike charges attract and like charges repel. So unlike charges positive with negative, like charges positive, positive, negative, negative. So same charges, they do repel. Unlike charges, they attract each other. So three rods are brought close to each other, two at a time. When rod A and B brought close together, they repel. So I have A, rod A, and rod B. They repel. When rod B and rod C are brought together, they also repel. So this means A and B are having the same charge, and B and C, they also have same charge. So A and B have same sign, neutral, no. A and B opposite sign, C is neutral, no. A and B have same sign, C is opposite, no. They all have the same sign. Later, distinguish between electrical conductors and insulators, giving typical examples. So in the table below, differentiate between conductors and insulator and give two examples. Now first let's start with the examples of the conductor. Let's say I have all kinds of metals. Let me write copper, silver, anything. In addition, I have the graphite and the plasma. Insulators, you can say the air, rubber, wood, plastic, and even glass. Now, what's the difference between conductors and insulators? The conductors, they have charges that are free to move through them freely. So we can say that conductors, they have charges that are free to move through them. This characteristic the insulator doesn't have. So insulators does not allow charges from flowing through it. So insulators, they don't allow charges to flow through it. Let's have some additional practices. Which of the following statement is true regarding electric charges? Like charges attract? No. Unlike charges, yes, they attract. If a neutral object gains electrons, it becomes negatively charged. If a neutral object loses, it becomes positively charged. So it is 2 and 4. Through which of the following materials can electrons move easily? So move easily, it must be a conductor. So basically the graphite. Question 11. Which of the following is an electric insulator? We agree that it is the plastic. And why copper is a good conductor? Because protons and electrons move readily. The protons, they never move. Its electrons move readily. It doesn't have all the time negative charge, and it can be insulated. Not really. Okay. Finally, true and false. Unlike charges repel and like charges attract. That's certainly false. The force between particles is always attractive. Also, it can be repulsive. Some nonmetals like plasma and graphite are also good conductors. That's true. Thank you.